Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my spring Easter decorate with me. I'm going to be putting up my Easter decor, spring decor. I'm going to be bringing back the light and airy pink and blue colors back into my home. I love spring. It just brings the house back to life after going through the winter time and the cold. Just seeing the spring colors and just getting that spring vibe and feel just makes me so happy. So I'm so excited for this video. I'm so excited to be decorating my home for spring. Now I'm going to fix my little wires because I am a perfectionist and things bother me sometimes, so I really had to fix that before I go and decorate my entertainment center. But I've decorated the entertainment center. I'm going to decorate my coffee table, but first I'm going to vacuum because, like I said, I have a dog and they shed hair. She sheds hair everywhere, and so it is very imperative that I refreshen up this carpet and vacuum it so that my house can smell good and that I can get all that hair up. So now I'm going to clean off this coffee table with some Windex. I usually use a spray away, but I ran out. But yeah, spray away is like the best cleaner for the glass. So I'm wiping off my table and I'm going to decorate that. So I did add a few spring pieces, like this little flower. It looks like pampas grass, but it's not. I forgot what they call this flower, but it is a spring flower. And usually whenever you're in the stores and you see this kind of flower, it's usually like pink or blue, but this is more of like a neutral tone. So if you're going for like more of a neutral toned spring feel, this vase would have been perfect for you. But I grabbed it. I thought it was cute, and I add that with my bunny that I had last year, and I'm going to light my Bath and Body Works candle to get the vibe going in the house. Moving on to the living room, I'm going to fold up this nice pink blanket which goes with, you know, my spring decor, and I'm going to add my spring pillows and fluff that up, add that to the sofa. And then I'm going to open up my blinds because we all know that, you know, spring is about light and airy and brightness, and I wanted my house to feel like that. I wanted to get those vibes. This video is just all about the vibes of spring. Not only just decorating, but just the vibes of it. But I want to give you guys a scripture from John 11:25-26, and it says, "I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live, even though they die. And whoever lives by believing in me will never die." And I thought that this scripture was very imperative to Easter that's coming up, us celebrating the resurrection of Christ. So I thought that this scripture matched really well with this video. Like I said, it gives the vibes of spring and Easter, Resurrection Sunday, you know, celebrating the resurrection of Christ. So with this dining room table, I'm just going to keep it real simple, not much color, but just a real simple, beautiful vase that I had brought from Home Goods. And then now moving on to the kitchen. So originally I was going to purchase a nice flower vase from Home Goods, but it was like $50. So something told me, just go to Hobby Lobby and make your own. And I did, and I paid half of the price of what I would have paid for that vase. And I got the colors that I wanted in it, and the flowers were 40% off at Hobby Lobby, so it just all worked out well. But I'm going to push up these leaves that's on these flowers, push it up to the top, because I don't want the leaves to be showing through the vase at the bottom. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to just simply add this to this glass vase. I wanted to put maybe like some water or something, or like some fake water, but then again I was like, well, I want to be able to use this vase again, and if I do that, I'll be stuck with just this flower centerpiece, which would have been fine. I could have made more, but I just like, nah, I'm just gonna leave it like this. So I'm just gonna keep it real simple with these pink spring flowers, and just putting it in like a regular glass vase. I'm going to add this turntable. I don't know what you call it, Lazy Susan. I'm going to add that here underneath it, but you will see later on in the video that I will switch it out to a more wood tone Lazy Susan. I was quite unsure which one I wanted to use, so you guys let me know in the comments down below after you see this video, which one would you have used, the white Lazy Susan or the wood tone Lazy Susan. But moving on to this, I like to always decorate this little vase with like whatever the season is. I like to decorate it with it. So it's Easter, so I'm putting eggs. For Christmas, I put ornaments in it. For fall, I put pine cones in it. So it brings out like a little festive design in the house. Like in my kitchen, it brings out like a little festive little look to it. And then right here, I'm going to add some more flowers to like a glass vase. This vase I've been having for a while. And yeah, y'all, it don't take much to just add like a vase to your house. It's simple. Just get a glass vase. I mean, Walmart sell glass vases for cheap as well, and flowers. It doesn't take much, and it's way cheaper than Hobby Lobby or Ross. It's way cheaper to just make your own vase sometimes. So I'm going to add that with this little bunny that I got from Hobby Lobby, which was like $2, I want to say, because it was like 40% off. I'm going to add that little festive piece to the kitchen. I don't like to do too much in the kitchen. I like to keep it kind of simple. And this little bunny in the little corner right here. And that'll be all for the kitchen, y'all. So moving on back to the living room, I'm going to take these little pictures down. I've been having these pictures up since 2020. And it was just time to do something different. So I'm going to add some pictures that I had purchased about a month ago that I've been wanting to put up, but I just waited till it was time to decorate for spring to add it up. And y'all had a hard time doing this. I will edit out majority of this video of me putting this up because I had a hard time. The picture was crooked. My husband wasn't home. I had to do what I had to do because I wanted it up. I wanted it up now. I didn't want to wait for him. So yeah, so I'm going to put these pictures up. So like I said a little bit earlier in the video, I swapped this out for the wood tone. I wanted to add like a little bit more color. I felt like it was just too much white going on with the white Lazy Susan. But then again, I was just kind of like back and forth with it because I liked both. I liked how it looked with both. So you guys let me know in the comments down below which one would you have picked, the brown Lazy Susan or the white Lazy Susan. Up my Easter spring decorate with me video. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to join my YouTube family, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more uploads from me. My next video, or my video after my next video, will be my bathroom. I'm going to be doing a makeover on my bathroom, and I can't wait to show you guys that. I'm so excited. But yeah, so this ends and concludes today's video, you guys. Thank you for watching. Again, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.